Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome to day 3 of our 30-day dancing challenge. If you've been enjoying it so far, yay, I'm glad to have you back. We have a really fun combination today, and if you haven't seen the first 2 videos, please check them out. I'll link them below because we're going to bring everything into a beautiful routine for the end of the year. So this next combination, we're using simple moves, but we are moving quick to the melody. So at the end of the week, we're going to put it together, starting to listen to the song, and you'll hear this part, it really moves with the melody, with the song. So we're starting off, basic position, nice and strong, hips in, chest up, hands on the boardroom table. We bring our hip to the forward front corner and then back, other hip to the front corner and back into our horizontal figure eights. So just loosen up through these, one side then the other. We have 4 of these, starting this side, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're coming into our our downward 8 or our Maya. So we bring our hip up, out to the side, down and in, up, out, down, in. Let's just practice that move. So our downward 8 or our Maya, starting with the hip coming up first. Oh, this move always feels so good. Good. Our next move we're bringing in is a hip circle. So for this one, you can choose which direction you go. We're just coming into a little hip circle, really releasing through your hips. Try the other way, see which way feels better for you. Always one way will feel better. Good. And then we're coming into a reverse roll up and then an undulation down. So you would have seen first day, we did some beautiful undulations. Today we're also coming the other direction. So where we usually go chest, stomach, hips, today we're also going hips, stomach, chest. Hips, stomach, chest. Hips, stomach, chest. Hips, stomach, chest. So you can think of it coming up and then down. This is a nice combination, just these 2 moves even by themselves. Really, really beautiful one to use. Okay, so they're the moves for our combination today. We're starting off with 4 horizontal 8s. So 4, 3, 2, down, 1, 2. So that's our Maya for 2. Then 2 little circles and roll up, roll down, 2 circles, roll up and roll down. Good work. Let's try that a little bit faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down, down, circle, circle, up, down, circle, circle, up, down. And again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Maya, Maya, circle, circle, up, down, circle, circle, up, down, and shake it out. Good job. Okay, let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 3, 2, 1. Maya, Maya, circle, circle, up, down, circle, circle, up, and down. Shake it out. Okay, one more time. Last time this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down, down, circle, circle, up, down, circle, circle, up and down. Yes, you got it. Good work. So I hope you like that combination. Please remember it because at the end of this week, we're bringing it into our choreography with the music. And stay tuned for tomorrow morning where we learn our next combination. Have an awesome day and I'll see you tomorrow.